Hey, can you tell me more about Scrum theory?
Sure, Scrum theory is founded on empiricism and lean thinking. It's an iterative, incremental approach to optimize predictability and control risk.
Interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure. In Scrum, we have 4 formal events for inspection and adaptation within a containing event, referred to as the sprint. These events work because they implement the empirical Scrum pillars of transparency, inspection, and adaptation.
What's the importance of transparency in Scrum?
Transparency is crucial in Scrum because the emergent process and work must be visible to those performing the work as well as those receiving the work. Artifacts that have low transparency can lead to decisions that diminish value and increase risk. Transparency enables inspection, which in turn enables adaptation.
Got it. So what's the difference between inspection and adaptation in Scrum?
Inspection is the process of frequently and diligently inspecting the Scrum artifacts and progress toward agreed goals to detect potentially undesirable variances or problems. Adaptation is the process of making adjustments to the process or materials being produced if they deviate outside acceptable limits or if the resulting product is unacceptable. Adaptation becomes more difficult when the people involved are not empowered or self-managing.
Thanks for explaining that. Can you share a personal experience where you had to use Scrum theory to adapt to a problem?
Sure. I once worked on a project where we had to deliver a product in 6 months, but we were falling behind schedule. We had to adapt by using Scrum theory to prioritize our tasks, focus on the most important ones first, and adjust our process to minimize further deviation. We were able to deliver the product on time and within budget.
Wow, that's impressive. Thanks for sharing your experience and knowledge of Scrum theory.
Thanks for watching our video on Scrum theory. Please see description below for related videos and full Scrum certification training course.